Okay, so I'm just gonna follow from where you left here the problem. So you did it correct so far. Just distribute these numbers, right? So get rid of the parentheses, which you get that. And now you're gonna move the variables and the number to the same side. So I'm gonna put the x's on the one side and the numbers on the other side. So I can just subtract 28 immediately, okay, to move the numbers to the left, but 28 minus 28 will just give you 0 there, minus 7x less than 28x. And then I'll just go ahead and add 7x to both sides here, which I have 0 less than equal to 35x. Now, you have to be careful with inequality. You can divide both sides by a positive number or multiply both sides by a positive number, then you won't have to change the symbol. You don't have to change the symbol. But if you divide it by negative numbers and multiply by negative number, you're going to have to change the symbol to the opposite. So in this case, it's a positive number. I'm just going to divide both sides by 35. This cancels out. So 0 divided by 35 is 0. 0 less than equal to x, which is the same as x bigger than equal to 0. So then I'm going to find a 0. 0 is right here. 0 is included, so I'll put a bracket around it. And then bigger than 0, you go to the right side, all the way to positive infinity. So every number, every possible number that you see on this line is going to be the solution to this inequality. To write it as an interval, you can just say, okay, start from 0. 0 is the smallest one, and you go all the way to infinity. You can also write your solution as an interval like this. Okay, now for 22, I'm assuming that you also have that question, so I'm going to solve it. So first, you will distribute the -2 and the -4 here to get rid of parentheses. So -2 times 2, that's -4, plus 4x, minus 4 times, that's 4x, 4 times x, and then -4 times -5, that's -20, less than equal to -24. Okay, now I'm going to combine like terms. So these two are like terms, right? Because they both have x in it. So I combine it, which will just give me 0, right? So then they cancel. These two cancel, 0, that's gone. Now I have -4, -20, less than equal to -24. So x is gone. There's nothing to solve, right? Because if x is gone, if x is canceled, then you just have to look at the statement you get. If the statement you get is true, then the solution will be all real numbers. If the statement you get is not true, then the equation will have no solution. So this one is actually true, right? Because -24 is less than equal to -4. So this statement is true. If the statement is true, then the solution is going to be all real numbers. So the solution is all real, which is going to be entire line. It's going to be this entire line. Every possible number you can think of on this entire line from -infinity to positive infinity. So as an interval, if I write my solution as an interval, then I will just say -infinity to positive infinity, which is the same as saying all real number as a solution. So basically, that's it. So